So friends, let's try out this different Shev Bhaji today made in a Tari. So first I'm going to make the Tari. For that I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Now once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to lower the flame, add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of dhania powder or coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and then I'm going to add almost half a cup of water, and then I'm going to add a whole cup of water. Now we're going to mix everything together and let it cook for about 5 minutes on a low flame. So this is our tarri, which I generally use for my misal pav recipe. I'll leave it down below. Now in another pan I've taken about 1 tablespoon of oil, and in that I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine, and I'm going to fry the onion really well. Now once our onion is nice and translucent, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So if you're making the paste yourself, then half an inch of ginger and about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Fry everything really well. And now I'm going to add this tarri or this gravy that we have prepared. Be extremely careful. It does splutter a bit, so add a little at a time. Mix everything really well together. Let it cook for about 10 minutes on a low heat. For 5 minutes rather, till it all comes together. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste and a pinch of sugar. That is about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Always add less salt in the beginning, and then you can taste later and add more salt. Because if something becomes very salty, then it's difficult to get the dish to the right taste. So always add less salt and then add salt later. Now give everything a good mix and cover and cook this for about 3 minutes on a low flame. And now our tarri or our gravy is all ready. It's nicely and thickened, and it already looks so yummy and delicious. So I'm going to be using this thick shev, which is called Bhavnagari shev. It's easily available. It's thick and it has this kind of ridges. Now let's assemble this dish. So in a bowl I'm going to add this gravy. Then I'm going to add some of this Bhavnagari or shev into it. You can add as much or as little as you like. So what it does is it absorbs all this beautiful gravy, and then I'm going to add some fresh coriander and a dash of lemon. And that's it, guys. So you can have this with pav, you can have this with bread. The choice is yours. So give this recipe a try. It's really, really delicious.
Your Shev Bhaji, Ghatya Bhaji or Bhavnagari Bhaji. So, let me know whether you like this bhaji. Give it a big thumbs up if you really did. And subscribe to my channel. Once you have subscribed, click on the bell, and every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Till our next video, this is Akshata signing off. Take care and have a nice day.